I'm gonna record that for Washington. Oh, the dishwasher.
Oh my God.
Hey, Bushes, I'll play you NBA. Huh? Nah, fool, we're recording, fool. We're recording, you wash dishes.
What are you doing?
What's that little thing at?
What are you doing, fool? Are you looking for the sponge?
Yeah.
Sponge is right there, fool.
What are you looking for a sponge for?
What are you gonna do, fool?
Wash dishes.
Oh, you lost, fool?
Bitch.
What'd you lose to?
Little boy over there.
What'd you lose to, huh?
That little boy over there, fool. Look
Did
at
you
him
lose
right
to
there, fool.
this? Did you lose to this? This cute guy right here. Hey, fool, who'd you lose to?
I fucking lost that little kid, fool.
Ah, you lost to.
I didn't even play, and he had to wash my dishes.
Dishwasher! Dishwasher! Ah, just turn me in, man.
Hey.
Dishwasher!
What's that?
Hey, fool, you gotta wash the pants.
Your clean dishes go where?
Right.
Where?
Right here, fool.
Oh, I get it.
Put on.
Hey, what is he?
Dishwasher ugly.
How am I gonna dry?
He's a what?
Dishwasher ugly.
He's a dish ugly washer.
Hey, kid, why don't you go play PlayStation?
Are you mad, fool? I feel the vibe.
Hey, how do you watch this?
Oh, look at. Look at, do it again. Look at. Oh, you're getting punked by little 9-year-olds. Ah, that fool's like 7. How old are you?
Hey.
Getting punked by 8-year-olds.
Oh my God.
That fool. How's it feel to wash, fool? Dishes.
I feel like I don't do this before, fool.
Oh, but did you ever lose to someone, fool?
Nah.
Nah? When did you lose to? When was the first day you lost to someone in Madden to wash dishes? What's today's date? December what, 6?
I don't know, fool.
Of 09?
Oh my God.
Oh. That fool. A little bit harder for us. You missed a spot, fool.
Alright, fool.
Look
Alright,
at
where we're at, fool. We're at.
Look it.
That shit doesn't come out.
Look it.
It's part of It's part of the plate, fool. Look.
Mira. Look at it. Mira. Mira quién perdió. Mira. Aquí tenemos al dishwasher. Dishwasher número 1.
I saw that shit.
Oh. Oh, look at the dishwasher. Oh.
Ciao. So much. My hands are all slippery, fool. I want to touch my phone. Oh.
Who was it?
My mom, probably.
Oh, dishwasher. I'm gonna tell her fool. What she get mad?
Well, a minute, she's gonna tell me something. Because it's probably mad already.
Why?
Because I haven't called her.
Dishwasher.
Hey, big job saying.
Dishwasher. What is he? Hey, go do it again to him. Go wind up. Look at. Ooh.
Do it to her.